Sustainable waste management solutions. At some point we hope to replace the traditional linear and wasteful production model with a circular economy, which keeps materials in a cycle of use and reuse. If we set our initial targets too high, we will fall short and give up the good fight. We can all, whether domestic or commercial, manage our waste effectively. Commercially, there are also waste management solutions we can turn to. What are some solutions to waste management? Sustainable waste management aims to keep materials in use for as long as possible, and to minimize the amount of solid waste that is disposed of in landfill, or incinerated. But this is not always easy, and has not always been the favored solution to waste management. For many years the solution was to dump. Solid waste was put into landfills, liquid waste went into our rivers and eventually made its way down to the sea, and gaseous waste went up the chimney and into the air. The solution to pollution is dilution, the mantra. Even when we knew this was not true, we continued with this policy. The solution is better management. It starts with a waste audit. You need to analyze how your company is doing. You can check our earlier blogs for advice on planning and implementing a waste management audit. At CEC we would be delighted to help you with this.